Good morning everybody. Quickly the disclaimer, trading Forex has a level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. This video is for educational purposes only and no setup given should be seen as a recommendation. Now quickly looking at the market, what am I looking for? Please bear in mind this is the euro. This is an impulse wave down. So what is the plan here? We can see that the resistances, they are coming down. And as the market turns around, that is a 5-wave impulse. This first high I see as an A wave. 3-wave pullback is a B wave, and I'm looking for a push higher to sell in that box there. So all you need to have to do is put in your Fibonacci number from the bottom to the top. The 618786 area is a very significant level for me. Yes, we've got a wave up. This is the wave A, and if you're looking at smaller time frames, this is a 7-wave swing for me. This is a valid B wave or a WXY scenario, or other words a bullish flag. I'm looking for some confirmation here that the market will bounce here as a B wave on that 786 maybe, and going up there to 730. So the guys that see that this is the impulse wave up, the A wave, this is a 3-wave pullback. If you get an impulse wave with a 3-wave pullback, it's a buying opportunity. So you can trade this wave C as long as your stop losses, they are below 0523. So let's make it 0500. At this moment you've got a 70 pip stop loss, and you're going up to that 750 area. I do feel this is a 3-wave pullback or a 7-wave swing. Let's see if we can get that push up into that area and just sell it from there. Very encouraging that the market is breaking out of this impulse wave channel. Going to the pound, I still feel not much, but a bit more downside here. This looks like a B wave triangle. From these bottoms I can see a 5 waves up. This is an A wave, a B wave triangle. I'm looking for a wave back into this support zone or in this fib zone, and then we can buy it. And I do feel this is going to be a double bottom. Please bear in mind it's only once the double bottom breaks when it's confirmed and a little bit higher. So the euro is bearish and the pound is bullish for me. Isn't that strange? Japanese yen, I'm into the zone here. This is a buying zone. Look how the market breaks out of this bullish flag. This is a wave 4. If the bulls want to do something here, guys, this is now the time to do it. We're either going to rally from here or we're going to dip and rally again. So very important that the bulls now step up. It's out of that overlap, out of that bullish flag. Stop losses on this should be at 111, so $111. Or 111 yen, 111. That is where your stop losses should be if you want to take this. And I do feel we're going to challenge the highs, and we're going to take out the highs towards 123 for the Japanese yen. New Zealand dollar, we wanted to sell it at 618. The market didn't give us the opportunity. Let's see if it gives us a B wave here, and then I'm looking for the C wave rally. 5 waves down, 3-wave pullback is a sell opportunity. Past resistance or past support, future resistance. Australian dollar starting to break out of that wedge now, out of this or below this support area. I was looking for a new high, that didn't happen. So we can analyze the market, but we must wait for the market to move. It's now starting to break down. If it breaks this past support, I do believe the market will break down. That level is at 7,600. If 7,600 falls, guys, I can't see that this market will turn around again. Then that Australian dollar is bearish. Gold we looked at quickly. I saw a double top here. We can see that the market is not breaking out of this double top. The confirmation of that double top is at 1220. 1220 is where the market will confirm the break. It's just in that rectangle or sideways market. And we looked at DAX. Quickly for Nakwanda, she's trading DAX. I do feel it's going to come back. If I want to do something with DAX, I need to stay with the trend. The trend here is clearly bullish. I will not sell it here to come back to this area. I will wait for it to come back to buy with the previous trend. So that is my first 1, 2. I believe that is the end of my third wave there. This is the A leg, the B leg, and I'm looking for the C wave down to buy it on that 38.2% around 11,300. Kwanda, you can look at this 38.2 at that levels. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I'm sticking with this. I sold the bearish bet. That is also the point C of a bullish bet. So let's see if this market starts to break down. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, if that Australian dollar breaks down that at 7,600 area or 6,600 area, this will just rapidly go down. So I'm staying with this harmonic pattern. I'm not changing anything. I sold it. My stop loss is above the invalidation area. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, I'm looking for pullbacks to buy. This market can go up as far as it wants. I'm not interested now. This market is mature. There is some sort of third wave there. I'm looking to buy the pullbacks. Stay with the trend. Buy the pullbacks into this 0550, 0600 area perhaps. For the guys that want to trade that one. Euro, Australian dollar. If you're looking for longs, I do feel this is a valid 5 waves up. If you trade the stop losses below 37.28, so let's make it 3700. That's 100 pip stop loss now. That is a 5 waves up. 3 wave pullback into that 618. I do believe that is a buying opportunity. Euro pound, I'm short in this. I shorted it up there. Why did I short it? There's 5 waves down with a 3 wave pullback. Look at this fractal. The yellow box is the same as this yellow box. 5 waves down with a 3 wave pullback. I sold it there with that 4 hourly star. And again, this yellow box is giving me 5 waves down. So nice. It is the first and the second wave of the third wave. So if it should break down, it will break down now. Below this support of 0462, I don't see this market fooling around any longer. It will just break down, as it's also a valid head and shoulder top there as well. Other one that we're looking at is the pound Aussie. Many guys are excited about this. Look at this bullish bat. Buying the bullish bat. Stop losses below these lows of 50 pips, and we're going up to the 69 cents area. So that is a 700 pip trade going up, and then we can look for short opportunities if we get it there. Right, so that is a very nice setup. I don't think there's anything else, guys. That is the currency pairs that we're looking at. See you tonight at 7 o'clock.